we can see the technology is evolving every 2 3 years. Like what I know right now, it might become outdated maybe 2 3 years down the line.
No, not 2 3 years, 6 months, six
Six
months to
months.
1 year
So
max.
so 6 months. I had a view of 2 3 years. So it's 6 months now. So keeping that thing in mind, what is the technology that you are most excited about and why?
See, again, I think Web3 is going to be really, really big. It's in the same nascent stage when internet was, when I started building on internet way back in 97. I think Web3 is obviously much more talked about because of social media. Otherwise, I think at a evolution phase, we are still where internet was in 97. Web3 is there right now. I think it has a huge, huge opportunity going forward. We cannot just discount it because of certain roadblocks that we see. Like in 97, people were not building online streaming because internet was not fast enough. And there were a lot of other constraints, right? So a lot of applications that people wanted could not be built on Web 2.0, right? So it is a proper evolution, right? Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and now we are talking about Web 3. So I think Web 3 is being underplayed by a lot of people. I personally am very excited about this because it is not about a technology shift, it's a paradigm shift. It's a way applications are built. It's a complete decentralization of literally everything. Decentralization of organization, decentralization of technology, decentralization of storage. Think about anything and how do you decentralize it? That's Web3, right? And tokens are only a method to basically reward people who are running the infrastructure, right? I think there's too much people are reading on the crypto side, on the tokenization of it, and kind of trying to say that it's a speculation media, right? And I think that is what is also going to the kids and the students. They think, okay, Web3 means crypto. Okay, if I have to be Web3 enabled, then I should trade in crypto and become more in aligned with the time. And
Right.
that's the wrong idea, right? Web3 is about decentralization. There's a huge community building outstanding products and tools, right, which will be used in future, right? I think students and fresh graduates should look at it very, very seriously. If they are not doing it, they are missing something, and they will be again in the catch-up mode, in my opinion, in 5 years from now. Right now it's there, right? In college, you're not expected to earn in college, right? Go and spend hours and hours coding and building things in Web3 or other new technologies which are evolving, like analytics, ML, AI. Build anything. There's a lot of public data available on which you can work, right? And if you can work on those and build those tools, you are building a huge portfolio for yourself, a GitHub repository for yourself. When you go and talk to a prospective employer, right, out of 100 people you stand out, right? I can guarantee you, doesn't matter which college you are from, if you have got that kind of a repository of work that you have done in 4 years, right, you will at least get paid 2 to 3 times than what your other colleagues are getting paid on day one of your job.